Stay in frame, brother. Hi, welcome to my first YouTube video. A week ago, I posted a video asking people to send me stuff for my first YouTube video. Now, in retrospect, that was not the smartest idea, as proven. Let's get started. So, I got two things in the mail. This backfired extremely hard on me. I can't tell you that I'm not extremely frightened of both of these things. Oh, that shows they're not. Oh, what am I doing? I'm a little frightened. I'm not gonna lie to you. I picked out some pressed leaves and flour that I coated so it won't disintegrate. I picked out some pressed leaves and a flour that I created so coated. I picked out some pressed leaves and flowers that I coated so it won't disintegrate. I hope they arrive fairly unharmed. Alrighty, I hope you have a good day. It was really fun getting to write to you. Oh, jeez! I got leaves! Wait, what does coated mean? I need a sharp object. Alright, okay. Oh, wait. Oh, I've got your leaves! Whoa. I broke it immediately. Oh, I got this. Don't even worry about this. Super glue? I got this. A Canadian flower, you guys. Now I'm gonna try and pry these apart. Leaves from Canada. Well, that's spectacular. Put that right next to my dog. Am I allowed to have ashes in a YouTube video?
I'm eating my husband.
That lady eating her husband's ashes is on YouTube, so I think we're fine. Thank you to... I have to ask my mom how to say this name. Ah! My mom told me your name, so if I butcher it, it's her fault. Thank you, Lunan. I'll have to write it backwards. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, I didn't get the ends backwards. Anyways, moving on. What is this? Oh! I know exactly who sent this to me. Oh! Okay, hold on. I gotta unwrap it before I... Oh! Oh! Do you see this? Are you looking at it? It's a microwave! Mia! Oh god! I hope you like it. The microwave is a little cracked. Sorry, my kid threw a toy at it. Have a great day. And here it is. Oh my god. Ow. Oh, there's more stuff in it! Wonderland sticky notes. Oh, I got a bracelet. My god! Ah! I split up my butt. You guys, you don't really have to pamper me like that. I need to know immediately if this works. Immediately. Okay, alright, okay. Which way does it go? Right, tiny! Oh, to the left! Come on! Open, please! Plan B. Don't even worry about it. I'm a big man. Oh. Ah! I just wore down the screw. I've ruined it! Okay, this is what I'm thinking. If I drill holes across the insert of here, then we're on 31 minutes of filming time. I better be good at editing. Okay, alright. Next, I'm going to try and pry it open. Oh, I've almost got it. Oh, I'm a genius. I'm not. It came off, and I don't think it's going back in. All right, we've got a nail in. This is gonna this out of safety first. Oh, I've just poked my eye. I poked my eye out. Jesus Christ. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now that I've made a delicate incision in the material, I will attempt to pry it open. Ah! Was that AA batteries? Okay, bougie. Dear God, if this doesn't work, give me the strength to survive. Also, if it works, I'm... It lights up! I've got to put everything in it immediately. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is my tooth jar. What setting should it be on? It's ready! Camille, I'm gonna say it about 8 different ways. Just so I make sure that I get one of them. Camille, Camilla, Camilla. Thank you. May I sing a song to Camilla, Cam, and I'm gonna sing a song to you. I will always love you. Oh, I do. Let go of a prayer for you. The table is prepared for you. It died. It died. It died. It died. Ma!